Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to like reviews on Google Maps. So, if you want to like a review on Google Maps, you can do it from either your phone or computer. So, to start, first open Google Maps app and click the search bar at the top, then search for the place you want to check. Once the location page opens, scroll down and look for Reviews tab or section. Click on it. Now scroll through the reviews until you find the one you want to react to. So, for example, let's react to this review right here. So, under the review, you may see reaction options. So, right here, you can see heart icon. So, it says here press and hold to react. So, let's press and hold it. So, you may see reaction options such as heart, you have praying hands, you have fire, you have smiling face, or a surprise face. So tap the reaction you want to use. I'm going to click heart or select heart, and it will be added to that review, just like so. You can also see the reaction count underneath the review if it's available, showing how many people have selected each reaction. If you change your mind, so you can tap the reaction again to remove it, just like so, and choose a different reaction, press and hold it, and choose another reaction. For example, fire. And that's it. Very easy. So let's look for another review right here to react to. So let's say, for example, this one. I like this one. So let's click, press and hold this heart icon and choose a or an icon, an emoji. So let's select an emoji. For example, this one, mind blowing emoji, and that's it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's how you can react to reviews on Google Maps. It's a quick way to show that you enjoyed, agreed with, or found something interesting about a review without leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.